Hey guys, and welcome to Cerebral Palsy Daily. I'm Dustin.
And I'm Steve.
We really hope you enjoy our videos. Woo! Hey guys, and welcome back to Cerebral Palsy Daily. Today, I'm going to talk to you about my new deadbolt lock here. My mom and dad were noticing, because of my dexterity and stuff like that, I have trouble with locking things and things like that, so they decided to get me a smart deadbolt. And the smart deadbolt is also good for my employees because this way they don't need a key and each of them has a code, so they don't have to worry about losing their key. And Steve has had a few experiences with trying to get into my house and losing his key, so
Hey now, don't bring me into this.
he knows exactly what I'm talking about, and so have my other employees. But I can do it from my phone, or you can, there's a keypad on the outside of this, and Steve can touch the keypad and put in his code, and it unlocks the door, and we just leave the bottom door handle unlocked, and then you don't have to worry about a key. They also have bottom door handles with keypads, but my mom and dad didn't think I needed a deadbolt and the bottom door handle. I'll put a video in I'll screen record and put a video in of how I unlock it from my phone and all the stuff I have to do. I have to have Bluetooth turned on my phone for it to work, so I'll screen record and show you guys that. But until then, that's all I got to say about that.
Hey Dustin,
What?
sometimes technology is really great, but I'm getting tired of you locking me out all the time.
I don't think I've done that to you yet.
Anyway, don't
Forget
to
like
and
subscribe.
Yeah.
I lock from the app. I go to the Kwikset app. Because it is a Kwikset lock right here. And then it tells me to turn on Bluetooth. So I turn the Bluetooth on. Close this. And then it says checking status. And we'll see how long this takes. And then if it does this, you gotta see if it has lock name, stuff like that. And then I'll close the app and reopen it and see what it does now that I have Bluetooth on. See, it says unlocked, and then I can push this here, and it says locking, and it locks. Jammed is because we didn't have the door shut all the way. So I'll show you guys how it's actually supposed to work. Once again, you go to the Kwikset app. It says checking status. You wait for a little bit. It says unlocked, and then you push this button. And it locks. So that's how it's actually supposed to work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.